The next part of meal is E, the evidence, the meat patty of your meal. This is where you support, prove, or back up your claim. You can't just claim that red vines are better than Twizzlers without giving the reader some evidence. Your evidence can be a direct quote from a text or a paraphrase from a source. In history, common examples of sources can be any text, a timeline, an image or a picture, or even a map. Let's look back at this Red Vines Twizzlers paragraph to see an example of evidence. Remember, the claim is that red vines are better, so the evidence should be an example that helps to prove or back up that claim. It says, according to Jay Fergus in his book Food Fight, Twizzlers include the preservative potassium sorbate as well as more than 20 other ingredients, while red vines only includes 5 ingredients. Notice that this sentence includes the source, or where the quote came from. It has the author right here, Jay Fergus, and the name of the book, Food Fight. I know this is a direct quote from the book because it has quotation marks around the sentence that was copied directly from the book. I also see a great transition that tells the reader that this is where the evidence is.